Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's all about you. In today's video, we're going to be seeing how to detangle your hair without losing any of your hair. You know, every day morning when we wake up, it's such a hectic process for us to, detangle our hair, comb our hair, and half of us fear, while detangling our hair will fall. So I'm just going to give you some tips and tricks which you can follow at home while detangling, which will reduce your time to detangle and it will reduce your hair fall too. So let's get started. Whenever you start detangling, if it's a really short hair, you can straight away start detangling. If it's a medium length hair or a very long hair, I will always suggest to you to partition your hair into two. As you can see, my hair is very long, but I would suggest to partition your hair into two equal sections for any length of hair, unless it's a boy cut or a really like a bob cut. So once you've partitioned, if your hair is very detangled, if for example you went out in bike and it's like so detangled, it's definitely very difficult to comb your hair. Take some water, just spread it on your hair and then start detangling. It will make it easy. Or what you can do is, I use serum. After my head bath, I use serum. Any serum. This one is L'Oreal serum. You can use any serum you want. Just apply to the ends and then start detangling. It makes it very easy to detangle. And I always suggest to use serum before detangling your hair at least once a week or twice a week. It stays in your hair for at least 2 to 3 days. So once you apply the serum, I've already applied the serum. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is start detangling. Most of us, what we do is we straight away start detangling our hair like this from the roots. So that time what happens is, when you start detangling like this, it will become fine over here, but it will become very knotted over here. So again when you start detangling here, again it will become knotted on the top, and that time you will start pulling hair downwards, and that time only your hair will start falling. So to avoid this, always start detangling from the roots. Okay, just take the end first, slowly, very slowly. Take time, take at least 5 minutes in a day to comb your hair out. Don't be without detangling your hair. I have a friend who doesn't even comb her hair. I mean, that will cause hair fall. Please comb your hair, detangle it on daily basis, if possible twice a day. So I would say start. See, once I start from the ends, I will show the difference between detangling from the end and detangling from the roots. So this one I'll do from the end. So that's it. Then I'm going a little further up. Done. That's it. It took me to detangle in, say what, 30 seconds. My hair is detangled, guys. My hair is like a bit thick, and it's very difficult to comb my hair on daily basis, but I always use this trick to detangle my hair and comb it quickly. Even though we are at home, we need to comb our hair. Don't sit without combing your hair, just clustering up everything on top and just going about your day, and then worrying that your hair is falling, it is oily, it is dry. You should maintain your hair to avoid all such things. So it took me 30 seconds. We'll do the same detangling process from the top. It's quite painful. Okay. See, it's getting so clustered. Especially in this area, it is getting totally clustered. don't think that's going to work for me. It's really difficult for me to comb my hair like that. So what I'm going to do is, now it's fully tangled. Fully, it's like some kuruvi kuda. So I'm going to start detangling from the end, the same section. You can see how easy it's going to be for me. See, because I started from top, you can see it's like a cluster of hair together. When such knots happen, I always suggest you to remove it with your fingers. Don't keep further, keeping on combing it, you might lose a chunk of hair. See how long it is taking. And that's why most of us are so lazy to comb our hair on daily basis. If you want to have a beautiful hair, you need to maintain it. Only when you maintain something, it's going to last long and it is going to look healthy. Otherwise, it's going to get damaged, and then you cannot blame everything around us telling this is lost, it's gone. Start taking care of your hair. The basic step is combing it, brushing it. And I would always suggest use a big tooth comb. Okay, don't use a small tooth comb for detangling your hair. Use a really big tooth comb, and especially if you have a really thick hair. Sometimes some people have really thick hair and very curly hair. Those people, please use serum. Please use serum, then only it's going to be easy for you all to detangle. Now as you all can see, my hair is fully detangled. I can easily put my fingers into it, run my fingers through my hair. So that's it, guys. So to finish off the video, I'll finish off with 4 important points to remember while detangling your hair. First thing, detangle your hair on daily basis. Comb your hair, brush your hair, make it a daily habit. Second thing is, if your hair is so clustered or too detangled, always prefer using serums to make it more easy. Third thing is, start detangling your hair from the ends and not from the roots. And fourth thing is, always use a large tooth comb to detangle your hair if you really have a thick hair. If you have a fine hair, that's totally fine. You can use a small tooth comb itself. But I would suggest still use a large tooth comb. It takes out the knots easily and saves a lot of time. And always remember to detangle your hair with large tooth comb, and also brush out your hair with a brush like this or a smaller brush if you have, to avoid frizz. That's one trick I found out. Once you have a head bath and almost when it's going to get dried, you can just brush your hair out. It will avoid frizziness. So until I meet you all soon with another video, please do check out my other videos related to hair care, and let me know if you all want any more hair care tip videos. I will put it up for you all. And remember, you're beautiful the way you are. Whatever you have, treasure it. It's in the way you're going to maintain your hair or your face or your body. Anything, it's yours. So you have to maintain it. You have the responsibility for it. So until I meet you all soon with another video, take care, be safe. Bye.